What's going on, everybody? This is Bo. I just want to show you something really quick that might be helpful to some of us who own campervan or mobile home or something like that. Because sometimes, like our past experience, we go to a campground or campsite where there is a water faucet or an RV water fill station, but there's no the thread is damaged. I mean, the faucet is damaged or something happened. You cannot hook up to your water inlet here. So there's an adapter here that we use, but it's very weak. It always come off and it always splash all over, and we had to hold it down. So I'm thinking about this, and I just tested it and it worked. You can see, you can check it out if it might work for you or not. Okay, so it's really compact. This is like a water tank transference, or it's just a water transfer pump. So it is designed for multiple use, but I think it will be useful for us in this case. We can just pour the water into the bucket at the campsite and then just pump it through here, instead of some RV you can have a spigot, what did I just say, whatever that is, okay, a funnel that you can pour into the water tank, or there's I forgot what that thing called. You can manually pour into the tank from here. It's not a gravity fill. But anyway, this thing is a 12 volt. It's a 12 volt unit pump. You can hook up to any 12 volt source. In my case, this is perfect. With it comes with the alligator clips, because I have my outlet over here, my 12 volt outlets over here. Or you can change this to a cigarette cigarette lighter plug, and plug it into your portable power station. Works as well. Okay, and this is a standard garden hose. Okay, on one side from the inlet, and you can just put that into the bucket of water, and then this side that goes into your RV water tank. That way, I think it's a lot less hassle. Instead of pouring bucket and then pouring a little bit at a time, this thing is fast pumping. They go by the gallon per hour, so I think, let me see. Okay, if it is a 5 feet hose, okay, 264 gallons per hour. Yeah, so it's very fast. 10 feet at 240 something gallons per water. I think that's all we need, about 10 feet hose. So this thing works well for us. It also has this adapter for you to just drop down to the bucket to block any debris, or if any, or hold it down to the bottom. It comes with an extra gasket and the impeller here, just in case the original impeller wears out. It's replaceable. That's another plus. Okay, so it is cool. So the instruction is to, before you start pumping, pour a couple teaspoons of water into here so that your impeller doesn't get burned out. So very easy. I just tested it. That 2 gallon water bucket, less than a minute it went in there, just right like that. So I thought I just want to share, and if you're interested, just by one. It's pretty small. It's about 6 inches by 12 by 12, you know, box, and you just toss it somewhere underneath the storage or so, and then you never know when you're gonna need it. Okay, it will come in handy. So that's all I want to share. It's a really quick video, and I'm going to put the link of this item here in the description below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Okay, this is Bo. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.